Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of True Renunciation of Action, Chapter 5, Shloka 21. With the self unattached to external contacts, he finds happiness in the self. With the self engaged in the meditation of Brahman, he attains endless happiness.
Chapter 5, Shloka 21. Bāhyasparsheshu asaktatma vindat atmani yat sukham sabrahma yoga yuktatma sukham akshayam ashnute.
Chapter 5, Shloka number 21. In the previous two shlokas, we saw how a limited ego has the potentiality to cross over the limitations by removing the delusion and discovering its true nature as the self, which is the unconditioned Brahman, and how it conducts itself while living in the world. In this shloka, Lord says that such a seeker does not seek happiness through the contact of the senses with the sense object, but finds it in the self. It is the ego which runs after the sense objects. Now it wants to withdraw from the sense objects and engage in the meditation of Brahman, where he can find endless happiness. Lord clears a doubt in the minds of unprepared seekers who think that by withdrawing from the sense objects, they will be deprived of the little joys which they enjoy on contact with objects until they discover the identity with the self. They will be living a stone-like equanimity. One who has thus gained complete detachment from the external contact with the senses objects realizes the bliss that is the nature of the self. The process of detachment is necessary to experience the bliss divine. The process of self-development is a process of detachment, so it does not take one to the empty and purposeless zero, but once one has negated that which is false, we come to live a total positivity. So when one has withdrawn the mind, intellect, equipment from the preoccupation with the external world, then during meditation, when he is devoted to contemplation on Brahman, attains imperishable happiness. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.